Hello YouTuber, hello mga friends around the world, buongiorno. We're here at the airport, Torino Airport. It's time check, 7:30 AM kasi ang flight namin is 8:50 going back to Malta. So we're just waiting for the time and Andy is checking about dun sa rental car kasi sarado pa. We just left the key there and we already checked in our bag, our luggage. So we're just waiting for the time. You know what? The temperature is 24 degrees this morning.
Mama, this
agency here that make this part here in Torino, and this is one of them. I think this is been in a mission last time because it's like used. It was launched on February 2015, so it's been on a mission on space. Punta lang sa okay. Hey, yeah, go up. Go up. Oopsie, slowly. Yeah. Careful. Careful. Oh, yeah. Good job. Yeah.
Inflate your life jacket inside the cabin, and to do so will impede your exit. Your captain invites you to read this card carefully before departure.